So it's a large studio. Kitchen is here. Here the bathroom in the middle. I will put light just then, and here could be the room. So I go in the room. Here the bathroom. Electrical shower. So we go out now. So here our balcony, I will say our terrace. We are like one block or half block from the church. Hotel Santo Pozo in front. And our access is here. Behind the stairs, our door to join the street. So here is the access from the street. There is table today. The down part is a pizzeria. So the whole building is for sale. Could be also separate. And here we see we have the church. It's the main church of San Juan del Sur. So we are just 2 blocks from the beach, and the beach is on this way.